because a friend of my sister's is gonna borrow the camera tomorrow, I figured that I was gonna make tomorrow's video today just to make things easier. And what I want to talk about today is the Madonna whore complex. The way this only applies on heterosexual relationships, apparently. And it is when a man desires a woman who wants a lot of sex, the whore, but he is unable to love this person because he loves the Madonna, the lady who just does not, she's very pure, not very interested in sex. But he does not desire that woman because no sex, right? So what I'm wondering is what happens with the ladies that fall between the stools. Is that an expression? It is now. That just like somewhere in between, that have a few relationships and a little or a lot of sex in those relationships and then moves on. Like someone who isn't a whore or a Madonna. I'm just wondering what happens to those ladies. Because in society, I think that we very, very quickly judge women as either whores or Madonnas. And I think that that is truly sad, because I think that there are only like a few people who are like actually one or the other. I think that most people are like in between there somewhere. So that was basically the thought of my day. So tomorrow I'm gonna drink Prince of Wales tea. I have no idea what it tastes like, so I'm a little excited. I hope that tomorrow's gonna be great for you. I hope that today was great for you, and I will talk to you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye!